Hi guys, today's video is another Lumi box video. Yay! Super exciting. I got the premium box again, so currently I'm just going to keep getting the premium box because I like the fact that I can pick an item every month. I think that's really exciting. And also, before we get into this, if you are interested in Lumi Box, you can get 5% off your first subscription box. Down below, there's just a code and my affiliate link down there if you want to use it. Obviously, you don't have to, but if you're interested and you want to get one, you might as well get a little discount. I'm not going to go in the order of the card because there's an order that I want to do it in, so it's going to be slightly different this time. But the first item I want to show you is these R&R Boutique Scrunchies. They retail for $14.95 and they are absolutely adorable. So I'm gonna pop my hair up now with these. I'm gonna use the Love Heart one because Love Heart's alive. They feel like really nice actually. They're not silk or anything, but they feel really soft. But look how cute that is. Ooh, stretchy. Actually, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. Match into my outfit. How should I do my hair? I might do it in like something different. This is probably gonna be messy. I actually dyed my hair the other day, so hopefully it doesn't leak. I haven't washed it out fully yet since I rinsed it the first time. I think I should have bought a hairbrush for this. I have been using a scrunchie all week since I've done it though, and it hasn't rubbed off on that. It did go on my pillowcase though. Whoops. I feel like it looks a bit up. Oh wow, it's a big scrunchie. It's like Pebbles from the Flintstones. I have not worn my hair like this with like a scrunchie in a million years, quite possibly. I'm gonna wear my hair like this for now. It's a 2-pack of scrunchies and it retails for $14.95 and they're pretty freaking cute. I feel like it's doing a good job of holding my hair up. I feel like my hair is super messy. Apologies if my hair looks shocking. But anyway, the next item that I'm going to be using is this. It is an L.A.B 2. It stands for Live and Breathe Beauty. My nose is so itchy. Oh, it's like B squared. I get it because it's like 2 B's. Live and Breathe Beauty. B. Okay, I got it. Maths. Anyway, so this is an angled shadow brush and it retails for $18.95 and I will be using it along with, this is the item that I selected for the month. So this is the Iconic London Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. It's just so warm and beautiful. Exactly like a sunset. So let's do this. Oh, it's called the Put a Lid on It angled shadow brush, which is really cute. It actually tells you how to use it on the back as well. You can use it for highlighting or contouring, it says. I actually think I'm going to use this for contouring my eye. I think I just chipped my nail. Damn it, I painted my nails to film this video and I've already like completely destroyed them. Got it. Let's give that a go. But to start, I'm just going to use a bigger fluffy brush just for my crease shade and I'm going to darken with the new brush. So I'm going to go into my palette and because it's the Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette, I kind of want to make it look like, I don't know, a sunset or a sunrise. So I'm going to use, what colour should I use? I'm going to go into the shade Tan Lines delicately because this brush, I feel like this brush, this is sort of, it's magnetic. It's like holding my brush magic. Anyway, this brush I find kicks back a lot of excess. This is the Morphe JS5 brush, but anyway, this is going to be my crease shade, just something pink and neutral and warm. Next, I'm going to take my new brush, the L.A.B squared, put a lid on it angled shadow brush and go into the shade here called After Party. I'm just going to dab gently and tap off the excess and start in my outer corners and just slightly blend it into my crease. This is gonna deepen up these outer corners a little bit. there we have that so far. I also took both of those shades with the same brushes that I used to blend them on top under my lid. So after party, I just took on the outer corners to about the center of my eye, and then the tan line shade I took all the way across, just using the same brush. I'm going smoky tonight, a bit messy, but I'm enjoying it. So I feel crazy, so I'm thinking of adding this Tequila Sunrise shade here. It's very bright pink. I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and go into it and pop this on my lid. Oh, stunning. I almost never go on my lid with like a matte shades. I always use shimmers. I just want to use this as like a base because I actually really like, I just want it to be bright a bit. I'm gonna add something else a bit darker too, but I just felt like adding this pop of color here. I'm probably gonna end up going over it with a lot of different things, but I just wanted it there as like a base. And then we have that. I'm not going to add that shade on the lower lash line just yet. I might later. I'm thinking about it now just because it's so bright. Next, I'm going to go into another product that came in my box. This is the Basic Beauty Single Shadow. This RRP is for $30 and it is in the shade Apple Picking, which is an absolutely stunning color. With these boxes, there was an opportunity of getting 4 different colors, and I really wanted this one. Even though there's like similar shades to it in this palette, this one was my favorite for like a single shadow. It's like a stunning maroon purple. I'm gonna take this shade and I'm going to pop it just over here, so towards the outer corner of my eyelid, and like maybe like center to outer corner. So it's not going to be like my contouring shade, but it's going like towards the outer part. Slightly different than usual. And I'm going to take another flat shader brush. Dust just came out of that. I haven't used this one in a while apparently. It's kind of hard to see over the top of that bright orange, like pinky shade, but you can kind of see there's like a glitter there now. I actually really like that. I think that's stunning. That one did, just noticed, have a decent amount of fallout. The other shades so far haven't. I think it's because that one's actually quite glittery, so a lot of glitters just fell on my face, but I do actually really enjoy that shade. I think that's stunning. I'm now going to take that same shade just on a thin pencil brush and run this fully along my lower lash line. I think we're done with that for now, and now just to go a bit more extra because that's what I'm feeling today, I'm gonna go into this shade Beached Bronze, and I think I'm gonna take my finger. Yep, I'm gonna do it with my finger, and I'm gonna tap it on just over where I put the Beach Bum shade. No, I lied. Just where I put the Tequila Sunrise shade. I like that. I really like that color. I'm also just going over with my finger as well. Run it just along the lower lash line in towards the center, so not like fully across. And that is, I think, the eyeshadow look done for the day. I'm just gonna go and reblend all of this in and I will be back. Done that. I also just tightlined and waterlined with some brown eyeliner just because I didn't get any in the box. And now I'm gonna highlight my inner corners using this shade here called Moonlit. My eye just got super itchy. Oh my god. And there we have it. My eyes are so itchy now. It's kind of like a naturally looking like light highlight, but it's really beautiful and golden. I really like that. There we have my sunrise sunset look, covered in a little bit of fallout. Oh my god, my eyes. Ah, so itchy. Okay, I think I just got like pollen in my eyes. I don't know how. But anyway, so my views on the products are, I love this palette. I think it's amazing. I'm actually surprised with how good quality. I mean, it retails for $99, so you'd think it would be good, but it is so good. Like these colors, they just blended so well. I don't think I got any fallout from the colors that I used from them. Not that I noticed. I did get a little bit of fallout from this bad boy, but I really do like it, and I'm used to getting some fallout in my shades, and I think it was mainly because there's like little glitters in it. I do quite like that as well. I think I'd like to try it in future just as like the sole like shade on my eyelid because I think it would look absolutely gorgeous like that. Oh my gosh, can you tell? My eyes are so red now. The brush is really good at blending. I was actually shocked with how easy it was. I think it helps the eyeshadows are really good as well, but it did such a good job of blending that color in. It's not the softest brush I've ever used, but it works really well and it did a good job, and it's not like it's scratchy or anything like that. It's just some of my brushes are a bit softer, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. I think it actually worked really well to help me blend the product and get the product really like far. So that's really good. So the next product then is the Marc Jacobs Highliner Liquid Gel Eyeliner. It is in the shade Blacquer and it retails for $42. This was, I think, also one of the products that you could choose this month. So I didn't pick this one, but I'm glad I got it. I like eyeliner. Why can I never open things? I'm ruining my nails. Ooh, oh, that looks so fancy. It's like a brush one like that. I haven't used one of these in a while. It's very like long and fine, which I think is good. So let's give this a red hot go. I think that actually worked quite well. I did screw up the wing a little bit, but it comes on really easily, to be honest with you. I feel like you don't need much product. Like, I don't think that a lot comes off on the brush, but I feel like it goes really far when you pop it on. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera just because it's kind of awkward for me to do it. I feel like you don't get a good angle anyway. I will be back in a moment. Okay, so I decided to go a bit further with it and do more of like that fox eye look, so I came further into the center and did a bit of a longer wing. They're not perfect by any means, but I found this super easy to use. I really actually quite enjoyed it. It's more of a shiny eyeliner than it is a matte one, is the only thing. That's kind of why I didn't pick it in my box, because I was going to pick this because I do want to try the Marc Jacobs eyeliners, and I have now and they're really good, so yay. But I didn't pick it because I was like, oh, I prefer matte personally, but I have actually really enjoyed using this. And I think it's not like it's really like, it's not like it's sparkly or it's really shiny at all. I actually really like that. I think it was really easy to use. I did stuff up my inner corners a little bit, so I had to like blend it out with my highlighter. I'm not sure if you can tell, my eyes are so red right now. Like, this one is like on the verge of leaking because I think something got in my eye like just before. I'm not sure what it was, but yeah, they're just so irritated. There must be like pollen in the air. It's hay fever season here, so this is my daily life. But anyway, that is my eye look done. The next product I'm going to use now is the Inglot Face Eyes Body Highlighter in the shade Soft Sparkler. I believe that's the shade. It's a bloody beautiful highlighter. Like, look at that. I've actually never used Inglot before, and I've heard they're really good. But that's absolutely gorgeous. Like, such a warm, pearly color. Like, that is stunning. Oh, I'm so excited to try that. So I'm going to take this Fairy Wonder highlighting brush from Tarte and just pop into it. Ooh, it is sparkly. I'm going to go in with quite a light hand. I feel like this is a massive brush. It does definitely give you a decent amount of kickback in the pan. I feel like there are glitters in it, and they're kind of like fly around, especially I think because this brush is so loose as well, that would not help. Ooh, but seriously, look at that. That's stunning. I like that. My eyes are so red, I can't get over it. Perfect day to do like a super warm eye look. I look like I'm dying. Anyway, so that I really like. It's very gold, but so gorgeous. The Inglot Soft Sparkler Highlighter retails for $36, if I didn't say before, but I'm feeling it. I'm feeling that. Anyway, I'm just going to quickly do my mascara and my setting spray because I don't have those in the box, and I will be back to discuss the last product. There we have all of that. I also chucked on a nude lip really quick because there weren't any lip products in this box either. But there is one more thing. It is the Slick Stick. So this is by the brand The Slick Hair Company, and it is their Slick Stick Anti-Flyaway Hair Wand. So basically what you do is, it's like a mascara wand, and you put your hair up like I have, and you just pop this through your hair. Ooh, it's like gel. I guess it's kind of like a hair gel or kind of like a hairspray, and you pop it through your hair like that. It says it doesn't leave your hair hard or wiry. It holds your hair in place all day, nourishes your hair and promotes hair growth. No more hairspray gels or pins. It's vegan friendly for all hair types and cruelty free, which is awesome. Let's just give it a little go. I might redo my hair. Okay, I have some flyaways here. Can you see them? No, you can't see them. Yeah, I'm gonna use it. I don't think you're gonna be able to tell in there, but because I can't even see any flyaways in there, but I do have some, so I'm gonna give it a quick go. Ooh. I can see it instantly, like as soon as you brush it through, it works. Like I can instantly see it like holding my hair in place. Ooh, I messed that. Ah! Oh, I got it stuck. I did my hair really messy. But like, look at that. I just like pulled some hair out. Oh, it's a bit wet at the moment. But it's staying in place where I pulled it. Even though it's no longer in the ponytail. It definitely doesn't feel hard at the moment. It feels like the tiniest bit damp. But I'm sure it will dry down. I don't think it feels sticky. I'm not sure if you can see it. You might be able to sort of see. Well, you can kind of see. It feels actually kind of soft. I think it's the tiniest bit sticky, but like not anything you'd notice. And it definitely feels like it's got some good hold. Like it feels different when I tap the hair on the sides of my head to this hair. It feels weird. It's like bouncy. I feel like this will be good for making like that sort of hairstyle. Boom. I think that's really cool. To be honest with you, I'm not sure how often I'm going to reach for it, but I will keep it with like my hairbrush and stuff like that. Usually if I'm going out to something, I like curl my hair and wear it down. I hardly ever wear my hair up and like really like tight. But if I ever go somewhere super fancy and I have like a nice updo where I need it to be like this, I will definitely like reach for this. Because I feel like even hairspray doesn't like pop your hair in that neatly. Especially I think it helps as well because you like comb it through, whereas hairspray it's kind of just like however your hair's sitting, it'll stay. But yeah, I think that's really cool. If I didn't say before, it retails for $23.99, and I feel like if this is something that you're going to use, it could be actually really worth it. And that completes my box. We are done for the day. I just popped some lip balm on because I felt like my lips looked too matte. Anyway, but that completes my box, my Lumi box, my premium Lumi box for November. It actually, I think every month it seems to be coming earlier and earlier because like they've only been going for a little amount of time, so I feel like they're like becoming more and more like faster. I feel like they're getting faster. And I noticed as well the pop-up store for November was on like the 6th this month, and I bought stuff from that, so that's another video that's going to be coming out soon. But yeah, so the pop-up stores are getting earlier. By the time I post that video, I'll have probably bought stuff from the December store. But oh well. I feel like I am having issues with hay fever today, like since I've sat down. But anyway, if you are interested in knowing, the total value of all these products adds up to $264.89. And I only paid $99 for it, which I think is amazing. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about anything I did or any of the products that I used, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and hopefully I will see you soon. Unboxing. Today's video is another Lumi box haul. No, not really. I am pretty exciting. I really like being able to pick I really like being the information, their link. I have an affiliate link. They retail Live and Breathe Basic Beauty. It's like a sunny maroni purple. Stunning. And I'm gonna highlight my inner corners.